What it do? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy X here, and today we're going to talk about the stock SOS. Now, there's a lot of things going on with this stock, so much to talk about. So of course, I had to drop a video on it and give you the actual factual knowledge and everything that is to know about the stock. Now, of course, we all want to know, is it actually a short squeeze? Is it not a short squeeze? What's actually happened? I got you. So let's get into the video. Alright, so before I lay out the information for you guys, would you consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and most definitely liking this video? By you liking this video, it helps push it to a broader audience, and pretty much if you hit the like button, it kind of makes me smile. But I appreciate you for liking the video and subscribing if you did. If you didn't, come back next time. Maybe next time you'll be in the mood to hit them two buttons for me. But let's get into this stock. Now, what do we actually know about this stock? As far as right now, all we really know is it is a Chinese company that is trying to get into the crypto market. Now, they're trying to create their own crypto exchange, which is pretty cool. So they pretty much got them a facility where they're pretty much trying to start mining for actual crypto to make money. They spent all the money on the rigs, got them a blockchain, the whole nine. But where this starts to get a little shady on their part is, of course, people are gonna do their due diligence. These Wall Street bets and meme buyers. Some people are on Reddit, they did their due diligence, they're saying this company is registered to a hotel. And what we mean by registered to a hotel is the address for the actual company is registered to a hotel room. That's pretty sus. Not gonna stop with you. That's mad sus actually. So that's suspect. And then a lot of people are saying that some of the employee information are falsified. Yet again, mad sus, right? Okay. Of course, the company, in their defense, they released a statement saying, hey, this is misleading information. It's not true. This not facts. Now, of course, all companies gonna say that when you put them up on the chopping block. So do you believe it? Do you not believe it? To be determined, actually. But as far as anything else with the company, is really up in the air. But due to this information being brought forward by some of the Wall Street bets and Reddit people are now looking at this company as it's mad sus and it's a potential short squeeze, right? I know what you're thinking. Here we go with the short squeeze again. Hey, people saw the potential of the GameStop short squeeze and the AMC, and now they're just out here hungry for blood. Anything that is a potential short squeeze, they are all on it. So that's the world we live in now. It's crazy. Now, this company in February, when I look back at it, I put the graph up on the screen for you guys as far as in February on Robinhood. If you go back around February, the stock was trading at about $15, but it took a plunge all the way down to around $4. And of course, due to everything that's happening and all the information brought forward, a lot of people are thinking it's the next short squeeze, and they're buying up these shares of the company so that if the facts come to fruition, they want to make sure they're in on it. So they're buying up these shares because it has the potential for a squeeze. Now, how much or what percent of actual shares are out there as far as the squeeze is? I did a lot of research to find it. I went through a couple articles to see what numbers and what they're talking about. And as far as I came up with, how many shares are actually out there as far as being owned is, it's around 216% of those shares of SOS being shorted. So that's a significant amount, which is leading people to think that this is the next short squeeze play, which is driving more people in to buy more shares, which in return will more than likely drive up that short squeeze percentage number. So the potential is there. How and what it's going to jump to, we really can't base that off anything because we really don't know. Like I said, it's a lot of hearsay, she say right now, but this is the information being brought forward and what everybody's going off of, which is causing this big commotion and why the stock soared 26% in one day when it was just a nothing stock. So that is all the information that's really out there on the interwebs and everything where you can actually search and find. Like I said, I will leave a couple articles to all this in the description, so you can look at those and look at all of them, read it for yourself, determine what you want to do. Do I own any shares? No. Am I going to own any shares? Truthfully, I'm going to play it by ear. I don't really think I'm going to dive too deep into it, but I am going to keep my tabs on it because it piqued my curiosity. So I'm going to leave all the information for you guys though in the description. Really appreciate you guys for checking out my video. Like I said, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will keep updates on this situation as the information comes out. Any hot information come out, I got you guys. Come back and see your boy. But that's all for now. So it's your boy X, and I'm out.